socio-political satire, and it's basically about the trends that exist in rural India. Yeah, because basically it is to again reflect a trend. It's not like we created a trend. The trend already exists that people in rural India tend to name their pet animals, domestic animals after Bollywood superstars. Like around the Eid time, if you go to a market, you will find that most goats there are either called Salman or Shah Rukh or Amir, or in fact there was a goat called Saifina. So that's a trend. So the film is only trying to reflect that trend. And so far as why Shah Rukh is because this particular goat, which is used in the film, is called Shah Rukh. Uska apna naam Shah Rukh hai. So and he's 1 year old, so he knows that name. So it is much easier to work with him like that, and also because third reason also being that Shah Rukh means the face of the king. So that is the meaning of Shah Rukh. Shah is king and Rukh is face. So Shah Rukh is the face of the king. The meaning of the name itself is something which is very special, and it works for this character. So we decided to call it Shah Rukh. It's basically inspired from a real life incident about a newspaper report that I read about real life goat that travelled all the way from Rajasthan to Delhi, and it was kept in Juma Masjid, and people were queuing up to see it. So it's a very interesting thing, and when I read about it, I said it kind of inspired me to write the script and make the film. Basically, like the goat is the central character of the film, and what we wanted to do was obviously then it doesn't make sense for us to bring the story does not demand big stars. So what we were looking at is really good actors who could contribute to the film, and that's how the cast was put together. Because I think promotions are as much important and as difficult as making the film itself, or probably more difficult. So I think we've been because the fact that our trailer got 1 million+ views is itself proof of the fact that the film is definitely attracting attention, and we are moving forward towards the release now, and we're very confident that the people will enjoy the film. In general, we are in touch with the producer, is in touch with his office, and we would like him to see the film so that he also, because there was a big on Twitter the day the trailer was out, there was a big controversy because people sometimes they thought like we were trying to make fun of it, and that's not the case at all. We have great respect for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and the film has nothing to do with him, and I already explained why the goat is called Shah Rukh, and that's all it is. So we just want him to also know what exactly the film is, and also because he is somebody who's stood up a lot on communal harmony and related issues in recent times, and we felt he'd be able to connect with the film very well. Yeah, because since the film is political, it will connect a lot with the season, and how it is. The season also contributes. So.